Insecurities after being cheated on? 16 ways to get over them. Being cheated on is one of the most painful experiences a person can go through. The trust, love, and security you once had in your relationship are shattered, leaving you grappling with insecurities, emotional scars, and doubt. It's natural to feel betrayed and hurt. However, if you want to move past these insecurities and heal, it's important to focus on yourself and take active steps to regain your emotional health. In this article, we'll explore 16 effective ways to overcome the insecurities caused by being cheated on and help you reclaim your confidence and peace of mind. 1. Don't blame yourself. It's easy to blame yourself when someone cheats on you, especially if you feel your relationship wasn't perfect. However, the decision to cheat was entirely your partner's choice. While no relationship is flawless, infidelity is never your fault. If your partner wasn't happy, they could have addressed the issues or ended the relationship instead of betraying your trust. Remember, some people cheat even when they are in happy relationships. Focus on what you can control, your actions and emotional healing, and don't take responsibility for their mistakes. 2. Practice self-care. After experiencing infidelity, it's crucial to take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. This means resisting unhealthy habits like overeating or excessive drinking, which can worsen your feelings. Instead, try to maintain a healthy routine, get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and exercise. Journaling can help you process your emotions, or you could try meditation to quiet your mind. Pampering yourself with a spa day, massage, or even a relaxing bath can also help restore a sense of calm and rejuvenation. 3. Don't make yourself paranoid. If you've been cheated on, it's easy to become paranoid, worrying that your partner might cheat again, even in a new relationship. This constant anxiety can erode your happiness and peace of mind. It's essential to learn to trust again, whether it's with your current partner or a new one. Remember that you can't control what someone else does, and constantly fearing betrayal will only create more stress. Trust your partner and focus on enjoying the present moment, rather than worrying about what could happen in the future. 4. Don't fixate on the details of the affair. While you may want to know every detail about the affair, dwelling on it will only make things worse. Asking questions like, were they more attractive than me? Or, was the sex better? Will only prolong your suffering. Knowing the details won't change the fact that your partner cheated, and obsessing over them will keep you trapped in negative thoughts. Whether you stay with your partner or not, it's best to avoid fixation on the specifics of the betrayal. 5. Work on your self-esteem and confidence. Infidelity can take a significant toll on your self-esteem, leaving you feeling unworthy or unattractive. However, you must remember that your worth is not defined by someone else's actions. Reflect on your strengths and accomplishments, no matter how small. Write down your positive qualities, whether it's your sense of humor, your talents, or your kindness. Speak to your loved ones about what makes you unique, and embrace compliments without self-criticism. Build yourself back up with self-compassion and focus on things that boost your confidence. 6. Figure out what you want. One of the most difficult decisions after being cheated on is whether to stay in the relationship or move on. Before making any decisions, ask yourself, does your partner understand the depth of their betrayal? Do they show remorse and want to rebuild your trust? Can you forgive them? Take time to reflect on your feelings and assess whether the relationship is worth salvaging. It's okay to ask for space to think. Understanding what you want is essential for overcoming insecurities and making a clear plan for your next steps. 7. Don't hate your partner. Try to forgive them. Hatred and resentment can hold you back from healing, whether you choose to stay or leave. Infidelity may stem from various reasons: temptation, dissatisfaction, or personal flaws, but it doesn't define your partner's entire character. While forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the betrayal, it allows you to let go of anger and move forward. Even if you choose to end the relationship, forgiving your partner frees you from bitterness and gives you the emotional space to heal. 8. Do more things that you love. Investing in activities that bring you joy is an excellent way to boost your confidence and well-being. Whether it's a favorite hobby, exercise, or a passion you've neglected, make time for what makes you happy. Doing things you love will keep your mind occupied and help you feel good about yourself. Enjoy life and indulge in activities like reading, dancing, shopping, or going for a hike. Try new things and embrace experiences that make you feel alive. The more you focus on your happiness, the less space you'll give to negative thoughts about the affair. 9. Don't let your happiness depend on your partner. It's essential to cultivate happiness independently of your relationship. While a partner can bring joy into your life, your emotional well-being shouldn't be contingent on them. Learn to enjoy life on your own, whether through hobbies, friendships, or personal growth. Your happiness should come from within, and developing this mindset will help you avoid placing all your emotional security in someone else's hands. You are whole and complete on your own, and you deserve to feel fulfilled regardless of the status of your relationship. 10. Don't become clingy. After being cheated on, it's natural to want to keep tabs on your partner. However, becoming clingy or excessively checking up on them will only fuel your insecurities and push them away. If you're in a new relationship, trust is crucial. Constantly texting, calling, or questioning your partner's every move will create unnecessary tension. Remember that healthy relationships are built on trust, and you can't control someone else's actions. Focus on building your self-assurance and avoid the urge to monitor your partner's behavior. 11. Accept that you can't control what someone else does. It's tempting to think that if you act a certain way, you can prevent someone from cheating. The truth is, you cannot control your partner's choices. If they decide to betray your trust, it's a reflection of their character, not yours. Understand that infidelity is their decision, and there's nothing you can do to change it. Let go of the need to control the situation, as trying to do so will only cause more anxiety. Focus on what you can control, your emotional healing and future decisions. 12. Don't assume you'll be cheated on again. Trusting again is one of the hardest things after being cheated on. However, don't let past betrayal cloud your judgment in future relationships. Assuming that your next partner will cheat on you will only set you up for failure. Trust is an essential part of any healthy relationship, and constantly doubting your partner will erode the foundation of your bond. Learn to trust again, and remember that just because someone cheated in the past doesn't mean they will do it again. 13. Work on the things you don't like about yourself. If you've noticed negative qualities about yourself after being cheated on, take action to improve them. Instead of focusing on what you think is wrong with you, work on self-improvement. Whether it's getting fit, trying a new look, or overcoming negative thought patterns, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Don't change for someone else. Change because you deserve to feel great about who you are. 14. Be willing to trust again. If you've been hurt by infidelity, it's easy to develop a mindset of distrust. However, if you want to experience love and happiness again, you must be willing to trust others. It's not always easy, and you may be scared of being hurt again, but without trust, relationships cannot thrive. Don't let past betrayal prevent you from embracing future possibilities. 15. Let your loved ones offer support. During such a painful time, don't isolate yourself. Reach out to your friends and family for support. They can help you process your emotions, offer advice, and remind you of your worth. Whether you want to talk about the affair or just distract yourself with fun activities, Your loved ones can help you regain a sense of normalcy and joy. 16. Talk to a therapist. Finally, if you're struggling to move on from the hurt and insecurities caused by infidelity, seeking professional help can be incredibly beneficial. A therapist can offer guidance tailored to your unique situation, helping you process the pain and learn how to heal. Therapy can also help you rebuild your ability to trust and offer strategies for healthier relationships in the future. Healing from infidelity takes time, patience, and a lot of self-care. The emotional scars may take time to fade, but by focusing on your well-being and making positive changes, you can move past the insecurities caused by cheating and emerge stronger. Whether you decide to stay in your relationship or move on, remember that you are worthy of love and respect. The most important thing is to heal, trust yourself again, and rebuild the confidence you deserve. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.